come back to the very, a question that people need to ask you. How is the food? Your
In
experience
Kerala.
with food in Kerala.
It's an emotion.
Yeah, it's an emotion. Yeah.
It is an
Yeah.
emotion.
Yeah.
It is an emotion.
How is the food?
I mean, I've fallen in love with some of the foods here.
Okay, good to know.
But then, so like I really do love going around the world and trying fried chicken. So I like to see the different fried chicken around the world. So the chicken 65 and the chicken fry is one of the best chicken fries I've had around the world.
Oh, that's good to hear.
Because there's
That's good to
no
hear.
batter.
Okay.
There's no breadcrumbs.
He's getting it every day, by the way. This man eats it every day.
I wouldn't say every day, but
I would
But
say
most of the days.
but I could just eat paratha and chicken fry.
Paratha and chicken fry. Okay, okay. Oh, that's,
But I
that's
mean,
good to know.
the best, actually, I tell a lie. My favorite dish here is sadya.
Oh, he
Oh, okay,
loves
okay,
I
we are very
love
famous for our
sadhya.
sadhya. You guys should visit us during Onam. We have very good sadhya.
I see.
Does it change during autumn?
Onam is a cultural festival over here. Everybody in Kerala celebrates Onam. So during Onam, we have Ona Sadhya.
I see.
Onam
Onam
sadhya.
sadhya.
Yeah.
It's the best sadhya. So things that you have had so far is mini version of that. During Onam, you get the best sadhya. Yeah, it's
Sad.
What I have noticed is different places might have a different side dish to
Yes.
go with
Yeah.
their sadhya.
yes.
In Trivandrum, they had like a pineapple curry
Yeah,
with it.
right.
Which
That's
was
nice.
something we hadn't tried before.
Yeah, it's good, right?
But the first time I was introduced to it was seafood sadhya.
Seafood
And
sadhya, Samudra Sadhya.
I
Yes.
couldn't get enough of it. What'd you call it?
Samudra Sadhya.
Samu-
Samudra means ocean.
Samudra.
Sea. Samudra Sadhya.
Samudra
Sadhya.
sadhya.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Because I would call it sadhya mean.
Sadhya
Fish
means-
sadhya.
But it's good, right? Fish is very famous here.
And the thing I do as well is, unpopular opinion, people won't like this, so sorry guys, but I get everything and I mix it all
Yes.
together.
Like
we do it a lot. We also do it a lot.
Some people are looking at me like, I get people come over like, I do that too.
Yeah, we do that. I mean, eating the style of eating is different with different people. It's like I do it. I mix everything
Everything.
together. Yeah, everything together.
You just
the
get, it's
same.
like an explosion of flavors in your mouth. My way of putting it is, it's like Namara in your mouth with food.
Yeah, right. It's
He loves it.
yeah. I can see the excitement. I can tell that he loves food.
And it's healthy,
Yeah,
Yes,
it is.
yes.
you know? So it's like,
Fish is really
it ticks every box.
It really does. I think for me, I like sadhya. I'm still like, I never grew up eating too much pastas, rice. I'm still not like, if I eat a little bit of sadhya, I'm like, okay, I'm full, super full. But everything else, I love.
You enjoy.
Yes, I fell in love. Well, my first love was paratha. Kerala style paratha. That's something I've never had before I got here.
It's a feeling for us. Paratha is like a feeling
Super
for us.
good, amazing. And then I started realizing people like to have it with the beef.
Yeah.
And so we made a video on that, and then I think the first video that really got attention was me having it with beef.
Yeah, right.
People are like, get the roast beef, get the beef fry and paratha.
Kerala,
Like,
it's a feeling. Paratha and beef is a feeling. Over here, you cannot beat that. People love beef in Kerala.
The beef fry and paratha is
Paratha and beef.
adipoli.
yeah,
Adipoli.
so we love that. That was our first real love. And there's a
Yeah.
place in Fort Kochi, a stand in Fort Kochi that we were introduced to, and it's a local man making
Yeah,
it right
yeah.
on the side of the street. Like, and it's the beef is simmering, and it's
It's
roast
like
beef.
for breakfast.
It's for breakfast.
So he has a beef roast.
Yeah,
Okay.
these-
And my God, it is incredible.
It is incredible.
It is Nala Rasamunda.
it's amazing.
Like the beef falls off of it.
Yes.
It's so tender.
And he's a street vendor, you know,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
but everyone goes there.
Yeah, yes. We are very famous for our street food. Paratha, even the mini doshas and all.
Yes.
All is good. Like,
And another one I like is for that ball. It's like coconut dough on the outside, and then
Jaggery inside.
it's
Little
coconut
white
jaggery
ball.
on the inside.
Kodikatta.
Yes, korikatta. How do you say that?
Kodikatta.
Korikatta.
Oh,
Kodikatta.
Yeah,
That was
super.
good. That was
Those are
good.
really, really good.
Very good. It's a staple food. We have it in our home for breakfast and stuff. Yeah. And for as well as for tea in the evening, we do have it. It's actually very good because jaggery it's substituted with jaggery. So brown sugar, jaggery. We use jaggery. brown sugar for you guys. So it's better than white sugar, right? So it's a very healthy thing. So if we are in a hurry and if our moms are really lazy, they make it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a lazy food, especially
A lazy
for
food. For me,
my
that would
mom.
be like a strenuous food
Yeah,
still.
it's all about experience. When you make it, it's easy. For me, I cannot even imagine making
Yeah,
it.
same.
It's a bit hard for me. So I'm glad to know that you guys like it. It's
Yeah,
very
we
nice,
love
right?
it.
But
We
that's
love
the
it.
thing as well. We love to explore the foods, and we love to explore the snacks.
Yeah.
We love to
Keenan
check out
is
what
really
it
a
is.
snack
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, I
What's
do
your
love
favorite snack?
What's my favorite snack?
Favorite snack? Yes, I would like to know.
Mine is probably palom puri.
Palom puri?
Yeah.
Have it
puri.
with beef. Extraordinary.
That is amazing. I have had it once in Kochi.
Yeah.
Our friends took us to a famous place for it, and that was insane.
Yeah,
One of my favorite meals.
Yeah.
But my favorite meal, and we'll come back to your snacks while you're thinking of it.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
I have
I'm
to say what my favorite-
I'm rolling through my head right now. Like, what was my favorite snack?
You
I
can
wanna
name
say what my favorite
one or
meal
two.
is.
It's fine. No
The thing is,
problem.
I don't really know the names.
You can just explain.
I
I'll
just
try.
point. I'm just like, I want
What
to
is it?
try that one. I want to try that one.
What does it look like?
So we had when we were in Varkala, South Cliff, we had like those two, like one was a dark one and one was a light one.
Cake?
It's kind of like a cake.
Oh, they were like little cake balls almost. They were really hard though. I'm not sure if they were.
അരിയുണ്ടയാണോ അരിയുണ്ട എള്ളുണ്ട ഗായ്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് കോമൻറ്റ് വർക്കല റൈറ്റ് യു ഹാഡ് ഫ്രം വർക്കല വർക്കലയിൽ നിന്ന് കഴിച്ചതാണ് ഒന്ന് ഡാർക്കും ഒന്ന് വൈറ്റും വർക്കലക്കാരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ
It was from a Chechi
ചേച്ചി
on the side of the road in her little stall.
Yep.
And she'd clearly just baked them herself and put them in her.
Almost like little hard cakes, almost like little donut holes.
ഓക്കെ സോ വർക്കലക്കാർക്ക് അറിയായിരിക്കും വർക്കലക്കാരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയുക
Amazing. If you know, help us.
please do comment.
But I will say my favorite thing I've had so far my favorite dish I had in Kerala, and this might be a little controversial. Actually, no, there's two, and they both might be a little bit controversial.
Yeah.
Number one, palkappa.
പാൽക്കപ്പ.
Palkappa, amazing.
It is
Yep.
good.
And I think it's a bit controversial because I know it's more new, like within the past year or two.
No.
It's
But it's very famous in village side. It's new among city dwellers. But for me and all, it's a very common dish.
I love it.
I have
So
noticed.
tasty.
So tasty, especially when it's
Coconut
creamy
and
and
and mean curry is the
So
best, by the way.
Yes.
Bean curry, fish
Yes.
curry.
Fish curry.
we had that at Chandarante Chal.
ചന്ദ്രൻ ചേട്ടന്റെ കട.
Chadakaya.
Yes.
Kozhikode.
Yes. Amazing.
That was great as well.
Amazing.
I've never been there, but I want to go.
You have to.
Yeah.
It's
I'll-
cool.
I'll-
It's cool. It's like it's very authentic.
Yes.
They're using the coconut shells to
Yeah, right,
burn as the wood.
The rice pancakes.
Everything on their estate is the food they're using.
എന്റെ വായിക്കൂടെ വെള്ളം വരുന്നത് guys. Okay.
And we're asking.
My mouth is watering, but carry on.
So we're asking them. We're asking them to show us around, and the smells are so good.
Yeah.
And the thing we asked the locals, why'd you come here? And they said, because we can trust the food. Like we know it's got nothing mixed in. We know it is what it is, so we know we're getting the good food, the good nutrients.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kozhikode is quite famous for its food.